Hey guys, it's Saga, and today we are going to unbox and take our first look at the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Yes, I have already unboxed the regular Redmi Note 10 Pro in the vintage bronze color, but many of you guys wanted me to cover the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max as well. So last week I went out to one of the Mi Home stores in Pune and got this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max in the Glacial Blue color. Now leaving a couple of things like the main camera and the ring around it, almost everything else on this phone is exactly identical to the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So I'm not going to let this video be too long. But before we get to the unboxing part, I'm definitely going to ask the new viewers to hit the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications for this channel. That way, you won't miss out when a new video goes live. Coming back to the unboxing, if you guys saw my unboxing of the regular Redmi Note 10 Pro, this video is going to be like a deja vu for you guys. Note 10 Pro Max comes in this familiar looking box with a picture of the phone on top, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max branding on its side, and the color and storage information and some of the key features of the phone listed at the back. Let me just cut the seal and open the box. First thing that we see is this envelope which says designed by Redmi. It contains the SIM tray removal pin, very minimal paperwork, actually just one folded sheet of paper, and a soft flexible TPU case with a translucent back. After that, we have the phone itself in this glacial blue color. I will keep it aside for a moment while we take a look at the remaining things in the box. Below the phone, we get the same 33-watt charger as the Redmi Note 10 Pro. I can't stress this enough how good it feels to get a charger included in the box, and I think we should really cherish it while it lasts. And then in the end, there is a USB Type-A to Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. Let me keep all these things aside and get back to the phone. After peeling all the plastic and IMEI stickers from the back, just look at how beautiful this phone looks. I still like the vintage bronze color more, but since I already got that one on the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and because the black one had a glossy back, I decided to go with the glacial blue one, which also has the frosted glass finish to the back glass. Despite of having the same display size and battery as the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Redmi was able to make this phone much thinner and lighter. And because it is a bit narrower, it fits comfortably in my hands, and I like how it feels. Now we already know all the things about this phone. Like it comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen which is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It supports HDR10 playback and gets 120Hz refresh rate. The fingerprint sensor is mounted on the side under the power button. You still get an IR blaster and a 3.5mm headphone jack. SIM card tray can hold 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. Frame running around the device is in fact made of plastic. Inside, it is powered by a Snapdragon 732G processor coupled with Adreno 618 GPU. You can choose between 6 and 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128 GB of built-in storage, all of which is exactly what we got on the regular Redmi Note 10 Pro. So the only thing that makes this phone max is the main rear camera. From the outside, there is just one visual difference between these two phones. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max gets this silver ring around the main camera module, whereas the regular Redmi Note 10 Pro doesn't have the silver ring. That's it. This is the only way to separate the Redmi Note 10 Pro from the Note 10 Pro Max just by looking at both of them. Main camera on this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max gets a 108MP Samsung HM2 sensor with f1.9 aperture. Rest of the cameras are again the same as the regular Note 10 Pro. There is an 8MP camera with ultra-wide lens and f2.2 aperture, followed by a 5MP super macro camera with f2.4 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor again with f2.4 aperture. Stay tuned to the channel and make sure you have your notifications turned on because a very detailed camera review of this Note 10 Pro Max and its comparison with the other phones like Redmi Note 10 Pro and Realme 8 Pro is coming to the channel very soon. Now, I haven't used this particular phone for a long time, but since it is the same as the regular Note 10 Pro, I can tell you that I am going to really enjoy using this one. Every now and then, I see a few frame drops on the display while scrolling, but the latest software update has improved it a lot. While this phone might not be a performance beast, but I didn't find any issues while using most of the day-to-day apps. And while the 33-watt charger might not juice it up as fast as one on the Realme 8 Pro, the battery on this phone lasts for a long time on a single charge. And just like the Redmi Note 10 Pro, this one looks and feels very good in the hands. It is not as huge or heavy as last year's Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and I'm sure most people getting this phone will appreciate it. Now I have a lot of videos coming out about this phone, where I will talk in much more detail about its cameras and various other aspects. But that is it for this quick unboxing and initial impressions video for now. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.